Weddings are so much more than just a gathering. It's the coming together of family and a celebration of love. We find ourselves surrounded by such a beautiful energy that it's hard to put that feeling into words. When we witness two souls coming together and committing to one another, something magical happens. They become one. It's not easy to find a love like this. It takes overcoming obstacles, facing challenges, fighting to be together, and holding on and never letting go. Love is difficult to define and impossible to live without. Love is realizing that every hour, every minute, every second was worth it because you did it together. This day is a time for celebration, joy, laughter, and tears. And where we find tears, we find emotions without bounds. On this perfect day, the universe has aligned, and these two souls who manifested each other confess their deep love. They stand here in front of their family and friends and made a decision to take this life journey together. It's such a beautiful thing. It's such a beautiful thing.